timer that stays frozen in Pool Payday usually points to a connection, app state, or synchronization problem, rather than the timer itself. Pool Payday uses real-time multiplayer features, so a stalled timer can affect how the match screen updates. App Store 101. By the end, you'll know the quickest checks to make before reinstalling the app or contacting support. Start by checking your connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then reopen Pool Payday.io. If the timer starts moving after the connection changes, the problem was likely caused by the connection used when the match screen loaded. Next, completely close Pool Payday instead of simply leaving it in the background. Open your recent app screen, swipe Pool Payday away, then launch it again. This forces the match screen and its live data to load again. If the timer is still frozen, check whether Pool Payday has an update available. The current App Store listing shows the game receives performance improvements and bug fixes, so an outdated build can be worth ruling out before doing anything more drastic. App Store 1.0. If you're on iPhone, open the App Store, search for Pool Payday, and check whether the button says Updating. Install the update if one is available, then reopen the game. There's another useful test if the problem happens only in one match. Leave the affected screen and check whether other parts of Pool Payday respond normally. The game supports both real-time and offline play, so comparing another game mode can help determine whether the issue is limited to a live match. What's Storm 1 If everything else works but the same match timer remains frozen, avoid repeatedly tapping the screen or immediately reinstalling the app. A live match synchronization problem may need to be handled by the game or skills support system. Before contacting support, record the frozen timer and the match screen if possible. Include what happened immediately before the timer stopped and whether switching networks or restarting the app changed anything. Pool Payday is powered by Skills for its competitive features, and the App Store listing directs users experiencing problems to Skills support. App Store 1. So the practical order is simple. Switch networks, fully restart Pool Payday, check for an update, test another game mode, and then contact support if the timer still will not move. If this fixed your Pool Payday timer, like the video, and subscribe for more current app fix guides.